guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do this braided curly hairstyle. So just keep watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is to start parting my hair in sections. How big you do this just depends on you and how much time you have to do it. You can do it in smaller sections than I did, but it will take a bit longer. I just do it in big sections because I didn't want it to take too long. This probably took me about 2 hours, 2.5 hours to do, so it's pretty easy. So for this style, I use rubber bands at the roots to make sure that it's neat because I'm not too great at braiding my own hair. If you're good at braiding your own hair, you don't need the rubber bands, but I use them because it makes it so much easier for me. It makes it neat. I can grip the roots properly, so that's why I do it. This time around, I use jam to, what do I say, to moisturize my hair, I guess, just to make sure it's, well, not moisturize, but just to slick it down, just to make sure that it's not frizzy, it's neat and sleek. So I just smooth that in. I like to leave my baby hairs out because the rubber bands can pull on your hair a bit, and not even rubber bands, tight braids do pull on your baby hairs, and that leaves you with no edges. So I like to leave that out, and plus it makes it so much easier because when you just do your hair, you know the struggle of not being able to sleep because it's just tight. Well, when you pull the baby hairs out, then you don't have this problem. So this is what I do. So here I have my little crochet hook. I got this on Amazon. It's pretty cheap. So what you want to do is you want to take the hair. It comes pre-looped. You want to separate that, and then you want to hold it almost at the end, like I did right there. Just hold it almost at the end, and then you're gonna put the crochet hook through the hair under the rubber band. You're gonna open the latch, and then you're gonna put the hair on the latch and pull it through, and then you're gonna pull the hair all the way through with your fingers, and just make sure that it's even. So make sure that the ends are even, and then you just go ahead and braid it. And then once you get to the end of your hair, then you can go ahead and put a rubber band on there. Make sure not to put the baby hairs in there. If you have shorter hair like I did for a couple months, you can braid past the length of your hair to the desired length. But if your hair is longer like mine, then you have to braid all the way to the end. I'm not sure how this style would look on someone who has really long hair. I've never tried it, but I imagine it would look pretty great. Still, probably just have little curly ends. So I think it should work for any length, but with each length, it looks different. So I'm gonna slow this down for the people in the back. Just gonna show you how I do it one more time. So you're gonna go ahead and put the crochet hook through your hair. Then you're gonna open the latch. And then you're gonna go ahead and put the hair on the latch and close the latch. Make sure to close it because if you don't, you might snag your own hair. So close the latch. There you go. And then go ahead and pull it through. And voila! Now make sure to pull the hair so that it's even. And then you just go ahead and braid it. And it's that simple. You just keep doing that until you're done. Just put your hair in sections, rubber band it, crochet the hair, braid it, rubber band it once you get to the desired length, and then voila, you just keep doing that until you're done. And then I'm going to show you at the end how I style it. Woo! I am finished finally. Now you can wear it like this, but I'm gonna show you 3 more ways to style it. I wouldn't wear it this way because how I did the back, I did it really big. Now if I did that really small, then it would look so nice down, but I don't think I want to wear it down like this.